This year, Blue Elephant CNC launched a new furniture-making machine, Integrated CNC Drilling and Cutting Production Line. This is an integrated production line that subverts the traditional panel furniture production line. It not only optimizes the traditional production process, making panel furniture production more intelligent, more efficient, and more labor-saving, but also solves the problem of high investment and large occupied space, allowing small and medium-sized panel furniture manufacturers to have more cost-effective production lines. The traditional production process of panel furniture production line involves automatic labeling, cutting, edge banding, and six-side drilling. In large unmanned production workshops, a significant amount of roller conveyors is needed to connect and transfer between each process. Blue Elephant CNC Drilling and Cutting Production Line has changed this traditional production process. It can realize labeling, front and back drilling, and plate cutting at one time, reducing the manual turning time of a small production workshop. Moreover, there is no need for manual intervention between each process. Only one person is needed to collect the boards after the process. You might wonder, if the top and bottom drilling issue is solved, how to realize side hole drilling. For this purpose, Blue Elephant CNC has launched a matching device, E70JDSC Side Hole Drilling Edge Banding Machine. This equipment combines the functions of edge banding and side hole drilling into one. During the edge banding process, side hole drilling is completed simultaneously. The combination of these two machines has an obvious effect. The entire process of panel furniture production can be completed using these two devices, significantly saving on labor costs. Throughout the process, only 1 to 2 individuals are needed to move the boards. In terms of processing efficiency, calculated based on an 8-hour workday, it can process up to 150 sheets of boards per day, tripling the processing efficiency compared to traditional production modes, whether in terms of efficiency or labor. The integrated drilling and cutting production line can be comparable to traditional automatic production lines. However, it doesn't require a large number of roller conveyors between processes, greatly reducing the demand for floor space, making it more suitable for intelligent upgrading in small and medium-sized panel furniture production workshops. With a length of 16.2 meters and a width of 3.3 meters, a workshop of 300 square meters can accommodate this integrated CNC drilling and cutting production line. Blue Elephant CNC has been deeply involved in panel furniture production lines for over a decade. We hope to offer more affordable, more intelligent, and more efficient equipment to customers. With the launch of this new machine, we will help customers complete the upgrade of intelligent workshops at a more favorable price. Welcome new and old customers to consult.